everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today's recipe is a very sweet and easy to make 3-ingredient papaya pudding. This is so creamy and very tasty, and this needs no cooking. So let's see how to make it. The 3 ingredients are papaya cubes, half a cup of condensed milk, or you can add more or less according to your choice. Add in some lemon juice from half a lemon. Now blend this all together till it becomes creamy and smooth, and there should be no chunks of papaya. Now pour this into the bowls where you want to set the pudding, either in small single servings or in a big large bowl. We can set this pudding. After you pour the papaya mixture, just level the top portion. Now tap the bowl to get rid of the air bubbles. Now either you can freeze it for 1 hour or keep it in refrigerator overnight. Once it is set, you can take it out and easily unmold it. These holes and cracks are because of the air bubbles which was trapped inside. You can just smoothen it using a spatula. Garnish it with some coconut flakes, and when you cut through, you can see how smooth this pudding is. I'm also unmolding the bigger bowl pudding. It also came out really well. Our delicious no cooking papaya pudding is ready. So definitely try out this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out.